How to create Perplexity AI spaces. All right, guys. So once you're on Perplexity, all you need to do is simply move your cursor over to the left corner and select spaces. Once you've clicked on spaces, go ahead and click on the plus that says new space. And then it's going to begin creating a new space for you. Now you can give the new space a name. You can name it by clicking on new space and entering something. And then you can now simply ask it anything about the space. And then you can also set up your AI model by simply clicking on the model that you want to respond to you. You could use Sonar, Gemini, Claude, Grok, Kimi, any of them based on the plan that you actually use. And then your conversations are recorded as threads. So you're going to see your previous conversations here inside of your workspace. Then you can add other people to your workspace. You can even share it as a link. If you click on these three dots, you can enter the settings, and then you can also delete the space as well. And then you can upload your files, from your device. You can add them from the cloud. You could paste a body of text. You could add links, add instructions, and also schedule tasks. All right.